Comments are the statements that are ignored by the compiler and do not be executed. To include additional information about the programs, comments can be used. Constant are the values that cannot be changed. There are three types of constant: integer constant, real constant, character constant. Variables is a name given to the memory location as the data is physically stored in the memory location. Each variable has a unique name and identifier by which we can refer to the variable and associate data type that describes the type of constant that is be stored in variable. A variable must be declared before we use it. Variable declaration includes specifying variable data type and give a valid name. Assigning value for the first time is called variable assigning. The variable can be initialized at the time of declaration and after declaration. User interface. Input output I/O functions. We need a way to provide input and show output while writing programs. Each programming language has own keywords and standard library of functions. C language offers printf to display, scanf to take input. Printf is a pre-built function in C language, shows that to the screen. It is name used to print a format output on screen. All data types discussed in the previous chapters can be displayed with printf function. To understand the printf properly, let's take a look of example. Format specifier. What if we want to display a value of the variable? Let's declare variable and check the behavior of printf. Now I want to display the value of the variable above screen. So I want to follow statement. I does not display the value stored inside the variable age. Instead it is displayed. Scanf is a pre-built function in C language that take input from user to the variable. We specify the expected input data type in scanf print with the help of format specifier. If user enters integer data constant, format specifier mentioned in scanf. Gauge. Gauge function is used to read a character from user. The character entered by the user does not displayed on the screen. This function is generally used to hold the execution of program because the program does not continue further until the user data types to a key. Statement terminator. A statement terminator is identified to compile which identifies end of the line. In C language, semicolon is used to identify the line. Escape sequence. Purpose. Escape sequence is used in printf function inside the and the formation of escape sequence. Escape sequence consists of two characters. The first character is always backslash and the second character varies according to the function that want to achieve. Backslash is used as escape sequence, which associates with each escape sequence to notify about escape terminator, and character next to it is not displayed. New line. After escape character and specifies a movement of the cursor to start or stop line. The escape sequence is used to print the output and on multiple lines. Consider the following examples to further operations. The name